Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Russian alphabet and the sounds each letter represents. That is our main objective. But let's break down this video into smaller sections. Here you can see the main points of this lesson. Number 1. Motivation. Number 2. The general structure of the alphabet. Number 3. The alphabet. Number 4. The cursive. Number 5. Words. Number 1. Motivation. Before we get started, let me tell you that people often say the Russian language is difficult because you must learn another alphabet at the very beginning of your language learning journey. Well, it is true, Russian indeed uses the so-called Cyrillic alphabet, but I believe it isn't very difficult to learn the letters and their pronunciation. I promise it won't take long. Just be patient and trust the process. I'm sure you will succeed. On top of that, I am also here to help you through the journey, so please hit that like button under the video and subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot and I really appreciate your support. Number 2. The general structure of the Russian alphabet. First of all, I would like to share with you some information about the Cyrillic alphabet. Let's start with the categorization. I think it is a good idea to break down the Russian letters into 3 categories. This way, we get a better picture of what we are dealing with. Category number 1. These are letters that are present in the Latin alphabet and represent the same sounds. Category number 2. These are letters that are present in the Latin alphabet but represent different sounds. Category number 3. These letters are completely new, so the sounds are present in the Latin alphabet, but the letters are different. As you can see, the alphabet contains 33 letters altogether. There are 21 consonants, 10 vowels, and we have got 2 letters, the so-called hard sign and soft sign that do not denote any particular sound. They of course have functions, but I suggest we focus now on the alphabet and deal with the soft and hard signs in another video. Another good news is that you will be able to read any Russian word just by knowing what sounds the letters represent. It is not like English or French or other languages that have clusters of letters that denote special sounds. In Russian, it is a lot easier. We pronounce the letters as we see them. Okay, that is all I wanted to say about the general structure. Now let's continue with the alphabet itself. Number 3. The alphabet itself. Alright, now without any further ado, let's get started. I am going to read out the whole alphabet for you. So let's see the 33 letters. Here we go.
A, B, V, G, D, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И, и краткое, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Ща. Твердый знак. Ü. Ü. Мягкий знак. Мягкий знак. Э. Э. Ю. Ю. Я. Я.
I would like to point out that these two sounds are not easy, and foreigners often find it difficult to distinguish between the two, which is completely normal. So do not worry. Practice. Let's see their pronunciation one more time.
Ша. 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 Ща. 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 Ща.
And one more time.
Ша. Ща. Ша. Ща.
I think you can hear that the second sound is slightly softer. Although I'm going to create another video in which we will discuss in detail the functions of the hard and soft sign, let me give you a brief introduction. The hard sign does not denote any particular sound. It represents a very short pause and basically divides the word into two parts phonetically. The soft sign does not represent any particular sound either. In short, it makes the preceding sound soft. Number 4. The cursive. Let's move on to the next part of the video, which is the Russian cursive. In this part of the video, we will go through the entire alphabet one more time. You will see one letter at a time in its handwritten form. Here we go.
А. А. Б. Б. В. В. Г. Г. Д. Д. Е. Е. Ё. Ё. Ж. Ж. З. З. И. И. И краткое. И краткое. К. К. Л. Л. М. М. Н. Н. О. О. П. П. Р. Р. С. С. Т. Т. У. У. Ф. Ф. Х. Х. Ц. Ц. Ч. Ч. Ша. Ша. Ща. Ща. Твердый знак. Ü. Ü. Мягкий знак. Э. Ю. Ю. Я. Я.
Number 5. Words. In this last part of the video, we are going to cover words that begin with the actual letter. I think this is a very good practice because it gives us a chance to start practicing the Russian alphabet at once with real words. This way, we can implement our knowledge straight away and begin expanding our vocabulary as well. But before we do this part of the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It does help a lot and I really appreciate your support.
А. Автобус. Аптека. Б. Библиотека. Бассейн. В. Вода. Виза. Г. Группа. Город. Д. Дом, друг. Е. Еда, евро. Ё. Ёлка, ёж. Ж. Журнал, жена. З. Звук, завод. И. Игра, имя. И краткое. Йога, йогурт. К. Кот, комната. Л. Лампа, луна. М. Мама, молоко. Н. Нож, нога. О. Окно, обед. П. Папа, погода. Р. Рыба, рассказ. С. Стол, собака. Т. Торт, театр. У. Урок, успех. Ф. Фото, факт. Х. Хлеб, химия. Ц. Церковь, центр. Ч. Чай, чашка. Ш. Шарф, школа. Ща. Щека, щетина.
This is the hard sign, and it does not denote any particular sound, so there are no words that begin with this letter.
Ü.
There are no words in Russian that start with this sound. This is the soft sign, and it does not denote any particular sound either. And yes, you are right, there are no words that begin with this letter.
Этаж, экскурсия. Ю. Юбка, юмор. Я. Яблоко, яд.
Alright, I think that's it for today. Please let me know in the comment section below the kind of Russian language content you are interested in. I am looking forward to reading your messages. I hope you have found the video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.